excited to open this. This is the base, which is nothing fancy. Standard base. And this is 1.5 liters, and it's 800 watts. I like the plastic handle. This is tempered glass. On, off. And I guess you just lift the lid. There is no plastic in here except this little latch. That's how the inside looks. I like that this is covered, the glass is covered by plastic, so if you ever need to touch it, you're safe to do so. This is, I don't think this is a button, but we'll find out. Then you have your on and off. So I'm gonna rinse it and we're gonna test it out. So I filled it up to the max level. Okay. It's not flimsy on the base, which is what I like. This kettle has a keep warm button. When you turn it on, it's gonna give you a green light. You can have that on, you can turn it off, up to you. Power button will give you a blue light, so you know the difference that it's on. So let's start our timer and see how long it takes to boil 1.5 liters of water, which is, I believe, 5 cups. Okay, we're at almost 7 minutes. It's still boiling. I do want to point out that this is not a button, it's just showing you that it's working. So auto shut off, and we're at 8 minutes and 11 seconds. So after testing it out, a few pros and cons. I got this for my parents. One pro is that they like the glass. They said that it keeps the water warmer a lot longer than stainless steel. That's just their opinion. And they like that you can see how much water is in there. Ergonomic handle, perfect size, 1.5, about 5 cups of water. The only con I found is that it takes a while, 8 minutes, 11 seconds to boil the full amount, 1.5 liters. That's about it, because it's not very powerful. It's at 800 watts. So if you want something faster, I suggest looking for stronger motor. But I do like that they have the keep warm button. That's a plus. You do not find that a lot in many other tea kettles, electric tea kettles. So in general, I like it, and I'm gonna let them test it out and see if they like it. So thanks for watching my video.